Yes.
So, yeah, back to our class. So like I was saying, we have the customer name of each people that come to the shop to come and buy the product. So these are the list of all their names: Michael Brown, Jennifer Thomas, David Smith, Linda Davis, James Wilson, Patricia Taylor, John Doe. So these are the customers that come, and the gender of each customer, maybe female or male. So we capture that as well. So and under the age group, we have the age group of each customer that comes. So and the country of each customer that comes. So their country name is Nigeria. And the state they came from: Kano, Abuja, Lagos, River, Oyo, Rivers, Abuja. So like that. So we have the state name and then we have the city name. So and here we have the region. So as well. So this is the region. So some people come from west, some people come from east, some people come from south, some people come from north, and so on and so forth. So then we have the categories, product categories. So the product categories are the categories of products they are selling. So we also have product name. So the product name is laptop, watch, tablet, t-shirt, chair, watch, and so on and so forth. So then we also have the sales channel. Sales channel is where they got the product from. So maybe they got it from online, maybe they get from store, maybe they get, you understand. So that's it. So now we also have the sales person. I mean the person that sell the product long gone to the final customer is called sales person. So the person that you met maybe in the market or in the store or anywhere at all, maybe in the parlor in the shop, maybe someone is walking on the street and you bought the product from him. So that's the person that give you the product to the final consumer. So now we also have the quantity sold. The quantity sold is like what is it called now? Laptop now. The quantity sold is what determines how many laptops they sold out. So laptop quantity sold is four. So that means we sold four laptops. So now we also have watch. How many quantities sold for watch? Two. So and tablet. How many quantities sold for tablet? Seven. So and so on and so forth. So this is our quantity sold. You understand? So quantity. So now and then we also have the unit price for the quantity sold. So this one that we have here is not the unit price for laptop. Oh. So for us to get the price for laptop now, you have to divide this unit price by 4. So when you divide by 4, that's when you are going to get one price of laptop. And one price of laptop is going to be what? So that means this 425, that is quantity. So I mean a unit price divided by this. So the quantity what is it called? The unit price for laptop is going to be 113 naira. 113 naira. So now for 4 quantity now is 452. 452. That means 4 laptop. The unit price for it is 452. Do you get that math? Very simple math actually. So now, so that means for us to get this, that means it's going to be four four here times 4 times what? 113. So that's what give us 452. 452. So that's how we got that 452 as our unit price for 4 quantity sold. So now for the total sales, how they got total sales is very simple mathematics. So they multiply by unit price. They multiply the quantity by unit price. So that's what gave them the total sales. So that 1,800. So that's how they got it. Are we good to go? Good to go, good to go. So that's how they got it.
Yes.
So and if you fill it up, you see that it's the same thing again. So that's and the discount 10, 15, so they put the discount on top of that. So and then we have the profit they make, so this is the profit and the payment method, maybe by cash or cash card or transfer. So and then we have the customer type as well, so the year and the so just that is basic things we have in our data set. So I will not waste much of our time because we have a lot of questions to answer. So let's go straight to the question. So that they are fully the class is basically from practical. They are not wasting time on theory. So let's go to the next question here. We have here the question says is what? Eh? Open your question over there too now. You know, be as if I'm reading from my own notebook. Yeah, we
It
have the
says, what is the total sales per region?
okay, what is total sales per region? So for us to get total sales per region, so we have pivot our table now. Let me introduce your pivot table. So you can see that all tables you have that is very bigger, larger, everything that you do that has been trying together like this into one panel called pivot table page. So in this pivot table page, we now have four features and the four features, four panels that we have in pivot table number one is called filter. So what is filter? Filter help us to sort our data set. To help us to sort our data set. Let's say you want to look for the names or you want to search for something, you can put it on the filter. Just carry that column like this and put it on the filter. So it's going to filter that thing. Filter it like this. So when you drop it down and scroll. So all the largest name you have now that has been trying to reach. So and even though you can count it, you can even count it. So this is basic Smith. So it's not even up to 20 anymore. And if you look at the large data set here, it will if you select it alone like this, you're gonna see plenty things. So you can see it's up to 50 here. So but now when we filter it, you can see because there's a duplicate. Pivot table remove duplicate. Note it down. Pivot table remove duplicate. So if you have a duplicate of name, let's say you have David Smith, you have James Wilson, you have Jennifer Thomas, pivot table will what? Will turn that David Smith that is 20 in your list to one. So we only pick David Smith only one. So and if you have James Wilson like 30 in your data set, you're going to turn it to James Wilson one. Then when you now want to know all the total for the inclusion, so you can now carry your total into so that's for filter. So let's explain column now. Let's say I carry this name to the column here. So it will automatically turn all the names to column. So what are we calling column in pivot table? Column help us to change your your column in the name now. We know that the customer name here that we have here inside this part. So that is here. So now it automatically turns those customer names to the column. Like David Smith now, he has his name in a new column like this. So now you can now enter the David Smith space or something under it like this. So it can automatically turn all those names you have into column. Sarah, James, Lee, Jennifer, John, Rita. So it automatically turn all of them to column. So instead of them to be in row line, they are in column. You get it? So that's what column does. That's what column does. So and if you want to be seeing their data one by one, you can now carry data to globally. It's going to be showing you. David Smith, how many data you do have? David Smith or David Smith. Your reason. So that's it. Very fun thing. Very fun. So instead of you stressing yourself to be looking one by one, this one I already summarize everything for you. So how many David Smith do you have there? And I'll show you that all the David Smith are coming together for you with the verification of it. So that's how to go about that. So let's go to the next one, which is row. So let's say I carry the customer name to row now. customer name when it's in row is going to go down like this vertical. So but when it is in column, you know this. When it is in column, it's going to go what? Horizontal. So but when it is in row, it's going to go vertical. So now your names now has been arranged vertically. So it has come down like this when it comes to row. So that's for the row panel. So the last one is value. This value you can do anything with this anyway. You can sum. When you don't want to sum, you can count. If you want to find average, you can find average. I click on average now and click OK. I'm going to find the average. This is average. But I don't want to see average. I want to see count. So I come here and I click on count. It's going to count for me. You get how many days did I have now? 5 days. How many definition did I have now? Eight. How many Jennifer did I have? Jennifer 2 and 9. How many John Jones did I have? 9. How many Linda Joseph did I have? Like that. It will count all of them for me. You get so now, if I don't want to count again, I want to see product of each one of them. I see the product. I'm going to see. So and if I don't want to see product, I want to see the standard deviation of all of them. I come and see standard deviation, standard deviation. So click on it. So if I don't want to see standard deviation, I want to see variance. Transform it. This variance. So pivot table can do your variance, can do your minimum, can do your maximum, and anything. So now, in our pivot table question, what do you have there? It says you find the total state, right? So you come here and click on sum to see your total. So this is total state by the question. Let me show the question. By what? By region. Total state by region. So
by
yeah,
by region.
Region first.
you come and carry your region into row. So when you carry your region to row, so now you are putting your region inside the row. So let's command this number. Shall we? Let's format it. So let's format this number to be in thousand format. So you can click on new number format. So then click on custom. So let's you be in Naira now. You be Nigeria, you be Nigeria money. So let's select this one now. Select this column.
Mm.
Go to this number here. Come and select the current. Select the current. So then go here, drop it down, drop this one down. Now select Nigeria money. This is Yoruba. Nigeria. So you put it. I don't know maybe you are Yoruba or Igbo. So I'm just taking. I should have asked that one too. So that I will be speaking Yoruba. Are you a Yoruba people? No Yoruba. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, so I can speak Yoruba. Wow, that's very good. So let's go here and then customize. You want to customize this number now to be showing that thousand to be showing two pattern. So you can customize
Me, I
it.
use Edosha.
And you'll be using my English.
No, I said me, I use Edo.
Wow. Ah,
Edo Naira.
okay, that's very good. Are you from Edo? So this is so now we have this. This is naira at comma at 0 comma quotation mark k so and also quotation mark double quotation mark. So this now we customize for numbers to be showing in this format. You can see. So that show it like this now. All the longest ones that are already showing it like this. So you can see this one has shown 25K, this one is 21K, this one is 15K, this one is 22K. So that's how to customize that. So I'll go again to show you. Maybe you miss out so that you know how to do it. Or let me just copy the formula and forward it to your DM. So but I'm going to send it what's it called to as well. Millions to as well. If you want to do 4 million. So this is formula to customize. So naira at comma at 0 comma quotation double quotation mark k double quotation mark. So that's for that. So
How
let's
about send it on WhatsApp?
I'll send it to send it to and to you. So let me send okay. Be like you don't want to copy. So let me check what's it called? Copy. So this for thousand. This for thousand. For thousand. You want to change to thousand. So that's for thousand. So let me do for million to as well. I want to do for million. So you put naira sign here. So then you put comma. Then you put double comma A. Double comma. So then you put M. So now this for million. And then I just want to customize to million. So that's for that. So let me copy and send it to my mama to mama mama. Yeah, like I know my mama. So let me copy this to this part. So let me go down to and the extra side. So you don't copy it. This my water web. The web water value. This copy. So that's for that format. So let's go back. So now you click OK now. You're going to change to this.
Thank
So you can use start to represent it. So go to insert, then you click on this. So then you can put it that you want to represent. You can use this one to represent.